Hello viewers, I am back with another video today. I will be giving quick and easy tips on how to get a wash and go. I'm just going to show you guys exactly how I do my hair this way. And yeah, all I'm going to show you guys is how to achieve the curls. This is the method that I use on my hair. My hair is 4C. It is about the thickest, the tightest curl, and it's often kind of hard to figure out how to do natural hair like this and make it look super curly. So I'll be giving some tips and just how I do my hair. It's actually relatively very easy once you find a gel to use on your hair. So if you guys would like to see how I make my hair curly, keep watching. So as you guys can probably tell, I just woke up. What I'm first gonna do is wash my hair. Okay, so I have on my Turby Twist. My hair is drying, but we're not gonna let it get completely dry because we want our hair to be soaking wet for this tutorial. So with my wash and goes, I like to work in 4 sections that happen to be a lot of sections in itself. But the first thing I like to do is take my first section and I spread the hair out. I like to spray the hair lightly because I'm going to spray it again when I'm doing it, but I just want to spray the hair lightly. And then I like to take my leave-in conditioner and spritz it around my hair. And after I put my leave-in conditioner in, I like to seal that with an oil. Now doing all of this in this big section is actually going to take away the time from doing each small section. So now that I put my leave-in and my oil on top of it already, I can go ahead and just put on gel. Now that I've put all of that in my hair, I like to section it. So this is the small section that I've gotten. I've already made a little section. Then I like to soak it with water. You can see that the hair is pretty curly already from whatever conditioner I used. So I currently am out of gel. So what I'm going to be using is the Cantu Divine and Shine Custard. And I'm also going to mix it with whatever gel I have left in this flaxseed gel. However, this works perfectly if you just use Eco Styler gel, honestly. Ooh, this thing is loopy. I like to take a good portion of gel and soak my hair in it. While I'm soaking my hair in this gel, I most definitely like to rake my hands through. So basically the state that you leave the curls in is basically how it's going to dry, and it's going to spring up however it wants to. So basically that's how I do my wash and goes. And we do this to the rest of the head. So that is it. I have done my hair, I've done the rest of my head. I parted it down the middle and I put some clips in. Usually my hair has not been this long enough so I can part it down the middle. It usually just turns itself into its own afro. But yeah, I hope my tips were helpful. I did the same thing throughout my entire head. Honestly, this custard was pretty good. It's pretty light. My hair is still very curly. I didn't think it was gonna hold at first, but it actually held very well on its own. So yeah, I most definitely recommend it, and that's exactly how I do my wash and goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.